Okay, I don't get asked many questions. I try to cover everything in my videos and I think of things that I would ask, you know, and I overanalyze everything. So I'm more detailed, descriptive than most window cleaners out there when it comes to explaining stuff. I try to break it down in the layman's terms. And it's mainly because of those who's never even touched the squeegee, let alone a wagtail. They need to be explained in layman's terms because it might as well be Swahili when it comes to, some people and they just don't understand. Now, for those who wondering about one pass tools, on the heaviest of soiled windows, I've already showed you this tool can handle that. But on the heaviest of soiled windows, what happens when you have a window coated, not coated to the extreme, you know what I mean, but all the way up to the edge? Are you going to be able to mop so that it doesn't streak dirty, ashy film from it being dirty? The answer to your question is look, it goes right up to the edge, right up to the corner. All right, so you should be able to surface clean a whole window with this tool right up to the edge. You have a complete coverage. So I have overthought this and overthought this. Willie has overthought this over and over again. If need be, you can get right up to the corner. And if you have to go back, you can go back and you don't have to re-wet the window. That's the value in this tool, all right? Bam! There you have it.
An M.A.W. creation, the Duke.
An M.A.W. creation, the Duke.